Are you in your 20s or 30s wondering what skills you should acquire to navigate through this fast-paced and ever-changing world? If yes, then look no further, because in today's video we will explore essential life skills that everyone needs to learn during these formative years. From budgeting and financial education to self-care and online security, these skills will empower you to lead a fulfilling and successful life. So let's dive in and unlock your potential. Number 1, budgeting and financial education. You see, this aspect, managing your finances is crucial. Learning how to create a budget, save money, and invest wisely can set you on the path towards financial freedom. Start by tracking your expenses, understanding your income, and setting realistic financial goals. Also, explore online resources or attend financial literacy workshops to improve your personal finance knowledge. With this skill, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about your money. The number 2 is the basic home repairs. You see, you don't need to be a handyman to handle basic home repairs. Knowing how to fix a leaky faucet, change a light bulb, or patch a small hole in the wall can save you time, money, and the hassle of calling a professional. Take the time to learn some basic tools and techniques, and you will be surprised at how empowering it can be to take care of your own home. The number 3 is how to be a good communicator. You see, effective communication transcends industries and personal relationships. Whether you are speaking with your colleagues, friends, or family, being a good communicator helps you express your thoughts clearly, resolve conflicts, and build stronger connections. You see, practice active listening, be mindful of non-verbal cues, and learn to express yourself assertively, yet respectively. These skills will serve you well in both your personal and professional life. And the number 4 is self-care and taking care of your mental health. In a world that is constantly on the go, prioritizing self-care and mental well-being is vital. Learn to manage stress, practice mindfulness, and establish healthy boundaries. Take time for activities that bring you joy, like exercising, journalizing, or pursuing hobbies, and so on and so forth. But remember, self-care is not selfish. It is an investment in your overall happiness and resilience. The number 5 is you thinking outside the box. I shall take that again. Thinking out of the box. In this era of rapid innovation, the ability to think creatively and adapt is paramount. Embrace a growth mindset and challenge conventional thinking. Seek out diverse perspectives, engage in brainstorming sessions, and explore new ideas. The skill of thinking outside the box will open doors of innovative solutions and opportunities that others might miss. And number 6 is the attention management. In today's digital world filled with distractions, mastering attention management is crucial. Take control of your focus by minimizing distractions, setting priorities, and adopting productivity techniques like time blocking or the Pomodoro technique. By developing this skill, you boost your productivity and accomplish more in less time. That is a fact. The number 7 is the cleaning techniques. You see, while cleaning may not seem glamorous, it's essential for maintaining a healthy and organized living space. Explore various cleaning techniques, from decluttering to efficient cleaning methods for different surfaces. By honing this skill, you create a more pleasant environment for yourself and others. So let's move on to number 8. By cooking homemade meals. You see, cooking at home not only saves you money, but also nourishes your body with nutritious food. Start with a few simple recipes and gradually expand your culinary repertoire. Experiment with flavors and try new ingredients. You develop a valuable life skill and enjoy meals tailored to your taste and dietary preferences. You see, I like that. Cooking homemade meals. That's my hobby. So moving on to number 9, we have the online security. In our connected world, protecting your online presence is essential. Learn about best practices like creating strong passwords, updating them regularly, and enabling two-factor authentication. Stay informed about cybersecurity threats and ensure your devices have reliable antivirus software. By prioritizing online security, you can safeguard your personal information by so doing. And moving on to number 10 is the good manners and social etiquette. You see, polished manners and social etiquette are valuable in both personal and professional settings. Learn the basics of social interaction, dining etiquettes, and proper behavior in various situations. Practice kindness, empathy, and respect towards others. This skill will help you navigate social interactions with confidence. And moving on to the next one, which is the number 11, is the time management. Time is a finite resource, and mastering time management is key to achieving your goals. Learn to prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and break larger projects into manageable chunks. Discover time management tools that work for you, whether it's using a planner or digital apps. By managing your time effectively, you will enhance productivity and reduce stress. And on to the next one is the emotional intelligence. You see, emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions while also recognizing the feelings of others. You see, this skill helps you build better relationships and communicate more effectively. To improve your EQ, practice self-awareness by reflecting on your emotions. Regulate your feelings to respond appropriately and listen actively to others. These steps will help you connect with people and resolve conflicts in a constructive way. And moving on to the next one, which is the 13th on our list here, is the basic first aid and emergency preparedness. You see, accidents can happen anytime, so knowing basic first aid can make a big difference. Consider taking a first aid course to learn vital skills like CPR and how to treat wounds. Also, familiarize yourself with emergency procedures and prepare an emergency kit with necessary supplies. Being ready for emergencies helps you respond calmly and effectively when it matters most. You see, and on to the next one, which is the number 14 on our list here, is the critical thinking and problem solving. This is a very important point. You see, I want everyone to listen and save this video for later. You see, critical thinking is the ability to analyze information objectively and solve problems effectively. Let me take that again. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information objectively and solve problems effectively. To strengthen this skill, question assumptions and consider different viewpoints. Break down complex problems into smaller parts, brainstorm solutions, and weigh the pros and cons of each option. With strong critical thinking, you'll be a more effective decision maker and resourceful in tackling challenges. And moving on to the last part, which is the number 15, continuous learning. You see, learning doesn't stop after school. Just embrace a mindset of continuous growth. Stay curious and seek new knowledge through books, podcasts, workshops, and conversations with diverse individuals. This pursuit of knowledge will help you adaptable in a fast-changing world and help you thrive in various areas of life. Let me chip in this. In your 20s and 30s, you have a unique opportunity to equip yourself with valuable life skills that will serve you well throughout your journey. Take the time to invest in yourself, embrace new challenges, and enjoy the process of acquiring these essential life skills. By so doing, you empower yourself to lead a fulfilling and meaningful life, armed with the tools necessary to navigate any situation that comes your way. Remember, these skills are not only practical, but also contribute to your overall well-being and happiness, success included. So here we are. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the 15 essential life skills everyone should learn in their 20s and 30s. Remember, investing in these skills not only enhances your personal growth, but also prepares you for the challenges ahead. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and life skills. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What skills do you think are most important? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and take charge of your future. See you in my next video.